Creative HS-720 V2 headset. This is actually a plug and play headset, right? That you can just plug into any laptop, your MacBook, your Windows laptop, it will all works. Alright, so this has a special feature. It has the noise cancelling condenser mic. I think for fellow colleagues, right? If you're working in the customer service line, you have a lot of calls. Usually, this headset will be a useful one that you might be able to use them daily. Okay, and the second feature that I want to share with you about our Creative HS-720 V2 headset is that it comes with an inline remote. Okay, so it allows you to have easy access to actually just click on a simple button, right? To answer calls, to actually mute yourself as well. So let's do the unboxing now, and I just want to emphasize, right, because I mentioned just now it's plug and play, you don't need to install any extra software. Just plug in the laptop, you can start using this. Let's do the unboxing now. Yes, so I'm ready to unbox now. Are you excited? Actually, I really like our packaging, and it's bright orange and white. Alright, I successfully unboxed it. This is the top design, and I'm going to open up. Wow, wow, wow. Actually, I wish that, right, we can have a... I think y'all might hear it clearly. Like this. Okay, so I'm taking it out. There's a wire here. I'm taking a headphone out itself. Right? And I want to share, right? Yeah, I'm gonna put this aside. Okay. And just like I mentioned, right, there's a noise cancellation condenser mic. Okay, why is it so? Okay, I can just wear it to show you. This is the HS-720 headset, just a plug and play headset. There's a noise cancellation condenser mic. So this allows to pick up, this mic here, right, allows to pick up your voice over the surround sound. It cancels the noise in the background. Okay, example like your mom's vacuum cleaner at home. I think it's very similar to the SmartCom kit that we mentioned in our Sound Blaster Play 4 and also our Sound Blaster Gen V2 headset. Okay, so with our Creative HS-720 Air V2 headset, it also have this noise cancellation condenser mic. I think the feature has been shifted to the condenser mic itself. Okay, and the next feature that I'll be talking about is the inline control. So let me show you. Alright, there's this button that you see, right? There's a there's a microphone button icon with a slash button. Okay, so once this is lighted up, right, I'm pointing it to it now. Once this is lighted up, right, it means that you are muted. Okay, but once it's unlighted, then it means that you are unmuted. So you can actually control it within just a click of a button. Okay, to mute yourself. You don't need to go to your Zoom call or your Teams call, right, to use your mouse to click on the mute yourself button anymore. Just use this straight away from your headset. Okay, and there's a phone button, phone emoji, phone icon here as well. You can just click it, right, to actually pick up your call easily. Just a click of a button, you can just pick up your calls. And there's a play and pause here. I think this is when you need this when you are listening to your music, you can just pause it or play it with a click of a button as well. So very simple and easy to use. And I want to show you again, there's a volume control at the side as well, plus and minus. Very easy to control your volume, okay, from this headset. Okay, so for the Creative HS-720 V2, right, there's also another special feature that I want to share with you. It has the mic monitoring feature. Okay, so what's about it, right, is that you can hear yourself in your ear, right, while you're talking during your call. So you don't need to in the conference call and keep asking, everybody, can you hear me? Can anybody answer me? Because now, right, you can just check yourself out for this feature. This is called the mic monitoring feature. With just a click of the button, you just have to press and hold this mic mute button here on the inline control. Press and hold, and you can actually start to hear yourself from there. Okay, so I think this is a good feature because you'll be able to adjust your voice and your tone and your volume accordingly. Okay, so this is a good feature that we want to share with you. Alright, so yeah, so once again, right, for the Creative HS-720 V2, it's super lightweighted as well. It only weighs 135 grams, and it comes with a very comfortable headband pad, okay, with the ear pads as well. And what's more, right, this is very good. It has a very long cable length. guess how long is this? Okay, this is actually up to 2 meters long. Okay, so I think this allows you to move around on your table, work desk table, or home desk, working table, right? To grab a cup of coffee from your another table from the other side, okay? It allows you to move around. Like, don't feel so restricted when you're answering calls or talking on a phone.